Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a true piece of automotive history, the 1947 Chevrolet. A symbol of post-war optimism and timeless design, this car still holds its own, even here in Japan. At first glance, the bold horizontal chrome grille immediately catches your eye, giving it a strong, confident face. The smooth, flowing fenders and long body lines make it elegant without being flashy, a design built to last. Step inside, and it's like stepping back in time. The cabin is simple but stylish, with a metal dash, Art Deco gauges, and roomy bench seats that can comfortably fit 6. Under the hood, the 216 cubic inch Stovebolt Six engine delivers about 90 horsepower. It may not be fast by today's standards, but in 1947, it was the perfect balance of power and dependability. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, driving this Chevy gives you a raw, mechanical feel you just don't get anymore. No electronics, just pure connection between driver and machine. Whether you're cruising city streets or taking it slow through the countryside, the 47 Chevy is all about the experience. And here in Japan, owning a classic like this is more than a hobby, it's a lifestyle. For collectors, it's a bridge between cultures. For restoration fans, it's a blank canvas. For everyone else, it's a head-turner that tells a story without saying a word. So if you're into timeless style, solid engineering, and a bit of automotive soul, the 1947 Chevrolet might just be your kind of car. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car content.